Welcome to you all. Today's topic is electric potential energy of a system of 2-point charge. So let us consider a system of two-point charge. It is a point A charge Q1 is placed. Another charge Q2 is moved from infinity towards B. So distance between them is R. So let Q1 a point charge is at A. Q2 another point charge is moved from infinity to the point B. Clear? That means the charge Q2 is at infinity. Now this charge is moved towards B. At B, what is the potential? Some work has to be done. We can find the potential at B due to the charge Q1. So what is the potential? What is the potential electric potential at B due to Q1? So that is equal to V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. Why R? R is the distance between them, means AB, Q1, Q2. Clear? So potential at B due to the charge Q1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. Now, instead of, in this case, what is potential at B? Instead of Q1, a unit positive charge is moved from infinity to B. So, potential at B is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. But when this Q2 charge is moved from infinity to that point, some work has to be done. So when the charge Q2 is moved from infinity to B, some amount of work has to be done. This work W is equal to VQ2. VQ2. Clear? Why? We know that what is potential? Potential V is equal to W by charge. At B charge is Q2. So V is equal to W by Q2. So if V is equal to W by Q2, what is the amount of work done? As there are two different charges, Q1 and Q2, work must be there. So work done is equal to VQ, or potential is equal to W by Q2. So work done is equal to VQ2. Clear? So what is V? Now V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R. So what is your W? So W is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R into Q2. Into Q2. So that is equal to So W is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. This is the amount of work done. This is the amount of work done when the charge Q2 is moved from infinity to that point B. So we know that work is stored as potential energy. We know work is stored as potential energy. So what is the potential energy? Electric potential energy, that is symbol is U. So U is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. This is the potential energy at B. So that means as charge Q2 is from infinity to that point, then we can find out the work done, and potential energy is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Clear? If some example, if a charge Q1 is from infinity to that point, suppose a charge Q1 is from infinity, then move towards the point B. This Q1 charge, there is no other charge. So if only Q1 is moved towards the A, towards B, in this case there is no two different charges. So here work done is equal to 0. Clear? This is all out here. Electric potential energy of a system of 2-point charge, that is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R. Okay? Thank you all.